Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got something interesting to do. Ta-da! I got this Sudoku game that I haven't played in forever. And I thought, why not make my life unnecessarily difficult? And there is a cute story behind this Sudoku game. I got this as a gift from my aunt. I love her a lot. जब भी मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स से छोटी छोटी दिक्कतें या कंप्लेंट्स होती थी तो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू हर एंड शी यूज्ड टू सपोर्ट मी अ लॉट. I miss her now. Any which ways, coming back to the topic, today I am going to solve this Sudoku puzzle. इसमें कुछ cards है that are classified according to different levels. Then we got a user manual. The red color number is for the questions and the yellow color number is for the answers. First, I need to pick up a card. Then I need to fix the questions on this board. So come with me while I solve this Sudoku puzzle without looking at the answers, and ChatGPT asks me questions that may or may not expose me. Apparently, I have decided to drink my protein while doing this. Let's see which one defeats me first. Let's go. मैंने बाल बांध लिया है और मैंने questions भी fix कर लिए हैं. I have chosen card number 27. It's in the level medium. उस वाले side answers है, but मेरे वाले side सिर्फ questions ही है. And obviously, I can't see the answers on this side as well because of my poor eyesight. चलो फटाफट से इस पजल को सॉल्व करते हैं एंड मैं बीच में ChatGPT के क्वेश्चंस के भी आंसर करती रहूंगी एंड देखते हैं यार मैं कितने टाइम में इसको सॉल्व कर पाती हूँ. I have finished center wala part completely, so let me take a pause here and answer some of the questions asked by ChatGPT. The first question is, if your Google search history was displayed on a giant screen right now, okay, which search would make you want to leave the country? No search would make me want to leave this country. मैं Google में हमेशा काम की चीज़ें सर्च करती हूँ, so ऐसे तो मैं कोई चीज़ सर्च करती ही नहीं हूँ that would make me want to leave the country. What's something you do only when you are 100% sure nobody is watching? I love dancing, so I dance, imagining that a partner is also dancing with me. I got caught so many times by my family for doing this. It's actually funny. Yeah. Next question. If you could hear one person's thoughts for exactly 10 minutes, whose thoughts would you choose and what would you secretly hope to hear? Uh, as of now, I really love Devdutt Padikkal, so I would love to hear his thoughts for 10 minutes. And what I would hope to hear is, काश वो मुझे जानते होते and he would be praising me. Oh my gosh, she's so cute, she's so sweet, इतनी अच्छी लड़की है, blah blah blah. Okay, let me continue solving this puzzle. मैंने ये ऊपर वाला पार्ट भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है और मैंने ये साइड वाला पार्ट भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है. बीच में कुछ कुछ बचा हुआ है. So let me quickly come back to the questions asked by ChatGPT. Okay, the first question is, if your mother or friend had to describe your personality using only 3 brutally honest words, what do you think they would say? First word would be Gusel or angry bird for sure. The second thing is, I think, not too mature enough to understand people. Third word, I think they find me too emotional or over sympathetic, maybe. Maybe these are the 3 words they would say to describe my personality. Next question. What's one thing you would absolutely fail at if you were suddenly put on a reality show? Okay. I was lastly watching Lock Up, so if I was put in a reality show like that, maybe I would become like Harshad. No doubt he was a fantastic player, he's a great human, but being over emotional on a reality show like that becomes little problematic. So I think that's where I would fail at. I would also become over emotional and give it to another person. Maybe. Okay, moving to the next question. If you could swap lives with anyone for exactly 24 hours, but they would also live your life for those 24 hours, who would you pick? I have two options for this one. First one is Anushka Sharma and second one is Priyanka Chopra. I want to live their lives for 24 hours and I want to know what all the things that goes around their life. I want to experience their life for 24 hours. Okay. Next question. If you had to delete one year from your memory and could never get it back, which kind of year would you choose? Your best year, your worst year, or a completely ordinary one? And why? I would choose my worst year, which is 2025. काफ़ी चीज़ें हुई थी लास्ट ईयर, सो आई डोंट वांट टू गो बैक टू दैट ईयर. आई नेवर वांट टू लुक बैक एट दैट ईयर. काफ़ी चीज़ें मुझे सीखने को भी मिली, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि इफ अगर वो साल नहीं होता तो आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड बी सिटिंग हियर राइट नाउ. सो या. Okay, let me quickly complete this one and come back to the final set of few questions. I have almost completed this puzzle, only few pieces are left. So let me quickly come back to the final set of questions asked by ChatGPT. Let me put this aside. Okay. What's one thing you think your younger self would be genuinely shocked to know about you now? My younger self would genuinely be shocked to know that I'm not a topper in class 11th and 12th. मैंने 11th और 12th को छोड़कर बाकी सारे क्लासेस टॉप करे. सो माय यंगर सेल्फ विल जेन्युइनली बी शॉक्ड. क्या तुम 11th और 12th में टॉपर नहीं थी? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स द मोस्ट delusional scenario you have ever created in your head about someone you liked? Okay. Wearing a red sari and cheering him up on his special day. If your current dating or romantic life had a movie title, what would it be? कभी हाँ कभी ना, या फिर प्यार के साइड इफेक्ट्स, दोनों हो सकते हैं. If you were arrested but nobody told you the reason, what would your friends or family immediately assume you had done? My family and friends would immediately assume that इससे तो कुछ करा नहीं, किसी और ने कुछ करा है और इस पे ब्लेम डाल दिया है. That's what they would immediately assume. I'm a good girl. Yeah. If you could make one completely useless law that everyone on earth had to follow, what would your law be? Extremely useless law. Okay, if you're walking extremely slow in crowded path, you have to wear a slow walker badge. And one more law that I would love to make is if you say I will call you back or talk to you later to someone, you have exactly 24 hours to do it. नहीं तो फाइन लगेगा तुम पर. Extremely useless law है ये. Okay, last question. If I gave you rupees 10 lakh, but you had to spend the entire amount today on things that bring you absolutely no practical benefit, what would you buy? No practical benefit. I would buy a TV. I don't think उससे मेरे को कोई practical benefit होने वाला है. So I would buy a TV. Only I can watch series or shows if I got bored. So yeah. Okay, let me put on these final pieces and finish this puzzle quickly. Finally, I have completed this puzzle. It took me good 30 minutes to solve this one. I had a lot of fun while solving this puzzle and answering the questions asked by ChatGPT. Hope you had fun too. Do let me know in the comments down below how you are spending your weekend. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also suggest me on which topic should I make video next. Till we meet next time. Lots of love. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.